How to download and install WhatsApp mobile application. So first of all, you have to launch Google Play Store in your mobile device. If you're on your iPhone or Apple devices, there you can find App Store. Once you're here, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on search icon. And in the search bar, search for WhatsApp. There you go, there is WhatsApp Messenger. Now you can install this application. There you'll have an install button. Simply tap on it and wait for a while until the installation gets completed. Once the installation is complete, now you can open up the application, log in into your account, and you can start using the application. So in that way, you can download and install WhatsApp mobile application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.